Model, 2016 Renault Kangoo LL21 1.5 DCI 90 Energy Business. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 137558. MOT, the 22nd of July 2025. Engine, 1461 cc K9 K90E5F. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The clutch will need replacing very soon as the bight is right at the very top. It can still be driven just about. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.